Testing 1 2 1 2 3. Testing. Why is this stuff coming out as shorts when I don't want it to?
Whoa, baby belly, it's done.
Let's try
It's
it again,
done. Woo! Wow, was that fast?
Baking is our new Mulava Malka tradition. I don't like to measure when I'm baking, and I added a little salt and sugar to that cake, and it tasted way better. I completely forgot to put salt in. We're not sending a man to the moon. We're baking, as they say, as some people say. There's an Italian grandma on YouTube who also bakes without measuring. I don't want to measure. I like the way she does it. She's got 500,000 followers. So I'll remember next time, roughly. Well, let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll be edible, Ellie. I'll show it to you when it's done. Well, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. It looks edible and normal. Unfortunately, I forgot completely to put salt into it before I baked it. And I didn't put enough sugar in it, nearly enough. Or I just didn't put in enough. I didn't want to use a lot of sugar for health reasons. Other than that, though, I don't want to go crazy with the sugar, but it's got good crumb, as they say. And in that way, it's good, very good. It's just tasteless, that's all. But at any rate, it's a good Mulava Malka tradition, isn't it? Escorting the queen after Shabbos. Mulava Malka. Thanks for watching Randolph's Rants. See you next time. Shavua Tov. Agitavach.